Hello everybody. My journey has brought me to Alexandria, Virginia. In this video, I'm going to give you a room tour and a quick hotel tour from the Residence Inn here at 1456 Duke Street in Alexandria, Virginia. So come check it out with me. Okay, so let's start here when you first walk in the door. Let me turn this around and I'll give you a quick overview of the room. When you first walk in, there is a closet. The bathroom is to the right. The bedroom area is to the left, and then right behind this wall of where the closet is the kitchenette. So let me start in the bathroom and I will give you the quick tour. So it is pretty decent size. There is one small sink, a towel bar. I really like this shelf that's over here on the left. It is nice to be able to put things up above the counter so that you're not cluttering that. Kleenex box. There is a hairdryer in the cupboard space below. The drawers do open for extra storage. Hairdryer, and extra toilet paper. Standard toilet. Another towel bar with some towels hanging on it. I actually really like the shower curtain. It is fabric, but I like that it is a little bit of a pattern on it. And then a standard bath mat there. There is some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that they supply that is stored on the wall of the shower, and then there is a nice handlebar there. And otherwise it is a standard shower. There is a hook on the back of the door, and then just a small light there. So, walking out of the bathroom is this closet. One thing to note, there is no safe in this room, so if you do want to lock up anything, you can request a security box down at the front desk. There's a shelf, iron, some extra blankets, of course hangers. There's the ironing board on the back wall. So I just put my luggage and shoes in this closet there. Then we come into the living area. So there is a nice little couch here with a table. Some nice artwork, lots of lights. So there's a lamp right here, a lamp on the desk as well. Plug-ins there. There is a power strip there with some extra plugs. The telephone. It's a decent sized desk if you just need to just get some work done. Garbage can with a recycle bin. The bed. TV is on the wall. On this side of the bed, there is a little nightstand with one small drawer, the clock radio, extra plugs there, another lamp with some power plugs there. The view for this room, so I'm in room 721. Not much of a view out my window, but that doesn't really bother me. So we're kind of on the corner of this like little wing. There is the kitchen area here. Small table with two chairs. Coffee if you need it. And some of the creamers and sugars and things. A lamp on the wall. Like I said, there is a refrigerator that is a little bit bigger. Dishwasher, the sink, that's the coffee maker. There is a stove top. Lots of storage underneath the garbage underneath the sink here. Big microwave if you need it. There is a toaster up above here. A toaster and measuring cup. There are some pots and pans and some other utensils that you might need for your stay. Silverware, of course. And a strainer and a large bowl. Paper towels, some knives. And then when I first arrived, all of the dishes were actually in the dishwasher. So I put them away. Looks like a full set of 4. Glasses, mugs, bowls, small plates, large plates. So like I said, the dishwasher's there. I like having the kitchen area, even though I probably won't use it that much. it is just nice to be able to have that larger refrigerator. And if I did want to go get some groceries, there is a Whole Foods right down the street. So I did get a small half loaf of bread and some peanut butter just for a snack. But if you're here with family or here for a few extra days, it is kind of nice to be able to make your own meals if you would like to. So I like having that kitchen, and especially the nicer, larger refrigerator, and especially the freezer. So that is the room, and so I will see if I can check out part of the hotel. There is no swimming pool here, but I'll go see if I can find the workout room and maybe the lobby. And I don't know if I'll be able to see the breakfast area, but maybe I'll show you that in the morning. So stay tuned. So I'm in the elevator. As soon as you come off of the elevator, right next to the front desk is the market area. I'll show you that. So this is the market. They just have a few snacks and some wine, beer, drinks, if you are interested. Right next to the elevator, there is a exit that goes out to the parking area. They do have a stand, so if you are interested in any sightseeing things, you can check that out here. And I just stepped outside of the doors on the right side of the elevators. There is the parking ramp. They also offer a hotel shuttle. And if you need it, there is an ATM and some luggage racks. When you walk in the main entrance and go all the way to the right, they have this seating area. This is where they have the breakfast. They actually have the doors closed right now, so I can't show it to you, but maybe in the morning I can give you a little quick glance of what's back there. On this counter, they have coffee and tea, hot water, and then inside you can kind of see it a little bit, the area where they have the breakfast, juice, oatmeal. The last couple of days they've had scrambled eggs, sausage, your typical breads, muffins, things like that. Like I said, nice tables to sit at and eat your breakfast. And here is a view of the front of the hotel of where I'm staying. So I forgot, when I checked in, they gave me this handy dandy little sheet that told me all the ins and outs of what's going on in the hotel. And it does tell me that the fitness center is on the second floor. So let's go check it out. There's also information about the shuttle, if you want to upgrade your internet, and the breakfast hours. Okay, I just got off the elevator. So there are meeting rooms and the fitness center, laundry, all on this floor. So let's go check it out. This is the exercise room. You do need your key card to get in there. So let's go inside. First walk in, there are towels, nice cleaning supplies, it's always nice. There's bikes, there's treadmills, ellipticals, weights back here. I think this is probably one of the largest exercise rooms that I've seen in a hotel. And there's even a water dispenser there. And it is open 24 hours. Oh, look at this. They have another exercise room. This one's got other equipment, so let's go check this one out. Wow. So this one has some yoga equipment, some different roll tubes there, kettlebells, some spinning weights with a large TV. Here's some smaller weights and balancing discs. They must have classes, I presume. Wow, I've never seen the hotel have two exercise rooms. What's back here? Oh, there's just some stairs to go back out to the elevator. Huh. And a nice Water dispenser, towels, garbage, place to put your trash and your towel. Again, very cool. And this is where the meeting rooms are. They have one called Duke. There's King. There's King. Down here they've got Prince. And then there's more bathrooms. Okay, let's go check out the guest laundry. So first things first, when you walk in, it is a very large laundry room. Garbage can, sink, paper towels, soap. There are 5 washing machines on the left wall. Large table in the middle for folding or sitting. Large table on the back for folding. Looks like somebody left a garment there. On this back wall, there are 8 dryers over here. $4 for drying, it looks like, and $4 for wash. It also has a stackable stackable dryers over here as well. And I did learn that you can download this Shine app or Shine Pay app on your phone. That is how you pay for everything. So you're downloading the app, add money, scan the QR code on the front of your machine, and then that's how you pay for your washer and dry. On this back wall behind me, there is a TV as well. So, very nice laundry room here. We have found breakfast. When you first walk in, you get the bagels, English muffins, toast, all your fixings. They do have a bagel cutter and the toaster, muffins for you, fruit. Today we have bananas and apples. We've got hot sauce, ketchup, Tabasco, salt, pepper. We've got scrambled eggs. Those look good. Vegetarian sausage. And we've got a sausage skillet. Potatoes in there. And then we have some andouille sausage. They also have other fixings, so salsa, spinach, cheese. They also offer milk, oat milk, oatmeal, and some cheese in this cooler. And there's some hard-boiled eggs. On the end, they've got their cereal, oatmeal, fixings for the oatmeal, and the juice. They also offer pancakes and waffles. There's 2 spots for that. And all the fixings. Syrup, peanut butter, butter, cream cheese. Looks like there's blueberry compote today and strawberry. And they do this nice thing with the plates. Overall, I think it's a really good breakfast. They have lots of things to offer. No bacon today, but that's okay. I've got some of the sausage hash. There is the full coffee bar. So overall, I think the breakfast was pretty decent. Your typical breakfast items that most hotels carry. And I really like the coffee here, so it's nice to have that whole bar section there with the 4 carafes. There's 2 decaf and 2 bold coffee. And they also have carafes over by the reservation or check-in desk as well when you come in, so you don't have to go to the breakfast bar. I wish that they did have the coffee there all the time, especially the ones that are next to the check-in desk. That would be really nice to have some coffee in the afternoon. But that will be a wrap from the Residence Inn here in Alexandria, Virginia. I think overall this is a perfect hotel. It has great amenities, got good breakfast, and it's in a great location. So if you're in the Alexandria, Virginia location and you need a hotel, please check out the Residence Inn. Thanks for watching.